What if you could build soaring towers, amazing structures, and the roller coaster of your dreams, all in your living room? It's possible with MagnetCubes, a new toy that's inspiring discovery and hands-on learning for all ages. MagnetCubes are magnetic, modular cubes that easily attach to one another. You don't need glue, connectors, or anything. Marble tracks can be attached through the cubes for easy rearrangement, so you can build, test, and rebuild with endless possibilities. The best part? The transparent cubes let you see all the action while you play. MagnetCubes aren't just ordinary building blocks. They build faster, larger, and more easily than any other building system, allowing you to create marvelous designs effortlessly. This dynamic toy is fun for everyone. It challenges children to be creative problem solvers and keeps adults limber and sharp. If you're staring at a screen all day, MagnetCubes are for you. Take breaks or relieve stress by playing with these pleasing structures and their relaxing kinetic movements. MagnetCubes are challenging, family-friendly, and fun. Grow your collection with expansion packs to create bigger and more complex designs. The possibilities are endless. Get your MagnetCube starter pack today and unleash your imagination.